Introducing WApopup, the ultimate solution for WhatsApp marketing. With WApopup, reaching your audience on WhatsApp has never been easier. Let's embark on this journey together, starting with the registration process. To begin your WhatsApp marketing journey, simply navigate to WApopup registration page to register for your account. Fill in your details to create your account. It only takes a few moments. Once you're ready, click the Sign Up button. You'll then be redirected to the email verification page. Head over to your email inbox to verify your email address. Once your email is verified, simply hit the Reload button. You will then see this screen. Please read the important note carefully. Once done, click the I Acknowledge button to proceed further. After completing your registration, you will be redirected to the configuration page to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API. To complete this configuration, you'll need your phone number ID, business account ID, and permanent access token. These credentials are essential for seamlessly integrating your WhatsApp account with our platform. Here, I will guide you on how to generate your API credentials from the Meta portal. Go to the Meta Developer portal and log in with your Facebook account. Once logged in, navigate to the Developer portal and click on the Create App button. Then, select the last option, labeled Other, and click Next. Before creating a new app, navigate to the Business Facebook portal and establish a new business account of your choice. On the Facebook Business dashboard, locate the drop-down menu in this section. Click on the drop-down arrow, then select the Create a Business Account button. After clicking this button, you'll be prompted to provide your business details, including the business account name, first name, surname, and business email address. Once you've filled in all the required information, simply click the Create button to proceed. Now, let's head back to the Meta Developer portal. Select Business as the app type and click Next. Enter your app name, app contact email, and select the business from the drop-down menu that you've already created. Once you've filled out the necessary information, click on the Create App button. Enter your password and click Submit. On the app dashboard page, you will find WhatsApp. Click the Setup button to integrate it with your app. Now, navigate to WhatsApp from the left-hand navigation menu and click on API Setup. Proceed by clicking Add Phone Number and fill in your business information and WhatsApp business profile. Add your phone number and complete the verification process. In the Send and Receive Messages section, select your business mobile number from the drop-down menu. Once you've chosen your business phone number, you'll find the phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID displayed just below the drop-down. Copy and paste these IDs into the corresponding fields on the WApopup configuration page. Now, let's head back to the Facebook Business portal. Select your business from the drop-down menu and navigate to System Users. Click on Add to create a new system user. Enter the system username, select the system user role, and click Create System User. Select the system user that you have created, and then click on Assign Assets. A prompt for assigning assets and setting permissions will appear. Navigate to the App section in the menu, choose your app name, and ensure Full Control is checked. Finally, click on Save Changes to confirm. Now, click on Generate New Token on the same screen. Select your app from the Generate Token prompt, ensure that token expiry is set to never, and make sure that under Permissions, Business Management, Catalog Management, WhatsApp Business Management, and WhatsApp Business Messaging are checked. Finally, hit Generate Token to create your permanent access token. Now copy and paste this access token into the WApopup configuration page and click Save and Authenticate. If everything goes well, it will authenticate and navigate you to the WApopup dashboard. To set up WhatsApp webhook configuration, navigate to the WApopup API configuration page by selecting the WhatsApp settings menu from the top right corner of the page. Here you'll find the callback URL and verify token. Next, head to the Meta Developer Portal and select Configuration from the WhatsApp drop-down menu on the left-hand side. Then add your callback URL and verify token to the respective fields provided. Now click Verify and Save. To begin sending messages, you'll need to add a payment method in the Facebook Business Portal. Here's how. Navigate to Billing and Payments from the left-hand side menu. On the billing page, select WhatsApp Business Accounts. Next to your app name, click on Add Payment Method. Fill in the required details on the provided page. Finally, don't forget to switch your app mode from developer to live mode in order to commence sending messages from your API to all phone numbers. When you switch your app mode to live, you will need to add the link to your business's privacy policy and terms and conditions page. Now that you've successfully configured your WApopup account, you're ready to start sending WhatsApp messages to your customers. Be sure to follow each step carefully to ensure everything works smoothly. Thank you for choosing WApopup, your ultimate WhatsApp marketing software solution.